Applicant AW377881CE. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employees in Hong Kong. My name is Angeli Rico, 33 years of age. I'm from Cebu City in the Philippines. I'm a school graduate. I have 5 kids ages 16, 14, 12, 10, and 8 years old. I have work experience as a local housemaid for 3 years from August 15, 2021 to August 15, 2024. I serve as 6 members of the family, 2 elderly, 2 adults, and 2 kids.
You mentioned you work as a local housemaid here in the Philippines for 3 years. So tell me about your duties and responsibilities in your previous job.
My main responsibilities are taking good care of the kids, doing a household chores, and marketing.
Okay, very good. So can you tell us how you will take care of the children?
And taking a bath, sending and pitch from their school, give a nutritious food, and playing with them.
Okay, very good. How about in taking care of an elderly?
By helping changing their clothes, give milk and vitamins and nutritious food, and assist them to go to the shower.
Okay, very good. So what are some of your skills?
Cooking.
You said you know how to cook. Do you have any experience in Chinese cooking?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn how to cook in Chinese food.
Okay, very good. So what are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
I'm trustworthy, responsible, and honest.
Okay, nice to hear. So anything else you want to tell for your future employer?
To my employers, please choose me because I do my best to give a good service to your family. As my own kids, I'm hardworking, trustworthy, and honest, and you never regret to choosing me because I give a full-time care and attention and give love to your kids as my own kids. Thank you and God bless.